Hello there. The distribution chain. Oh, wait a minute. That should be better. Distribution chain. We're going to put it in place. I've made a lot of movies about this, but this is the first one I do in English language. I always use a lineal to set the engine of its correct position. You will find here and there 2 notches inside the engine, and you put a line above it and you go to the bolts, the holes of the bolts from your distribution chain. Then your distribution of your crankshaft. There is also a timing device. You'll find it here. I think it is not correct at the moment. I always take my time for it. Yes, that's what I want to see. Almost. No, it should be not. It's not correct at the moment. It's not right. Your left cylinder is in top dead end position, in top end position. That's all you need to know. This looks nice. This also looks nice. Spanner, the flat one. I put it in place. There was a plate going down on the floor. Why is it going like so for? Okay. There it is. Special plate. Put it in place, or spacer. I do not know how do you call it. Distribution chain. It should be right in place. And then you have to put it right in the place. And you will notice that almost, when you do it correctly, everything fits well. Of course, you put the bolts inside. Yeah, also don't use Loctite, not necessary. Don't use it. And believe me, it's strong metal. You don't break it. Put it really, or tie it really on. That's what I want to see. Don't be a sissy. Do it right. Then put the other one in place. And you see there is still just enough adjustment available. That's what I love. That's what I want to see. Where is the other stuff? Like that. And that. So. Then the special plate on it. Sometimes it doesn't go easy. Sometimes you have to be gentle, pushing things on its place. Give it a little bit help, and you can do it. So, better and better and better. More and more is going on. So, that's fine. You remember this? When it is put correctly in the engine, it fits like that. You can put it that way, but that's not the correct way. This is. Then you have the full amount of grip, or the full amount of use of the teeth. That's the correct way. I hope you will understand that. I have to check something. Yes, okay, that's fine. Fine. Always keep the big cock inside the flywheel with the 3 springs and 3 rollers. So, and then it should be falling in place. Then I put that one on top of it. Now I need some air pressure. That's what I enjoy. To repair this engine back to its original life. So, nice. That's nice. That's nice. Okay. Gear shifter, one spacer beneath it. Starting gear, one spacer on top, and beneath it the roller bearing inside the flywheel. You can feel it if it is right. Yes, yes, yes. Okay. So then I turn the engine. So I feel good about it. Always cleaning out. New clutch plates. And now I have to paint some things and then I can put it on the engine. There's always a little bit room. Good chain. You have enough adjustment. Put a new rubber seal around it. The clutch plates are new. Look. This one isn't sprayed with paint. Don't do that. One new finger inside here. Goes very well. Okay. Oh, the cylinder heads. I just painted them. And now I have to restore them. And I take all the valves out. Look how badly they are. And I put a new rubber seal around the valve stems. So I replace that too. Carburetor, I have to clean it. The water cooling system, I have to replace it. That axle I can put here. So that's right. And then I'm gonna build it together. Okay. Goodbye. Have a nice evening.